To remain updated with the latest business news, click on the bell icon.
Yes, we have this beautiful looking Mercedes EQC luxury electric vehicle with us today, but this is not an auto review. There are way too many people who've given some amazing gyan about this car. We're not talking about the auto gyan. We're going to give you a tech perspective about the EQC because there are some amazing features in this car which I loved, and then there are some features which I'm still struggling to like. Let's get into it. So let's start from the outside. अब देखो हम दिल्ली से हैं और टांग अड़ाना ना हमारी आदत है. That's why I love opening the boot like this. Over to the inside. When you sit in the car, to switch it on, you just need to press on this and the car is on. Now, it is an electric car, so it's not going to make any noise. You can be aware of this ready sign right in front of you because right now, as soon as I press on the accelerator, the car is going to go off like a jet. It has a lot of power inside. But we're going to stick to the tech part of it. Coming forward, there are these two beautiful looking screens in front of you, because as soon as you sit in the car, they grab your attention. Now these are two screens, they're not one. They're two 10.25-inch screens. Now to navigate on them, you have several options. Now these are touch screens. I'm wearing gloves, but still I can, easily navigate on them. I can do it through the touch screen. I can do it through the steering wheel. There is a small navigation tool over here. And there is also a navigation panel right in front of the armrest, which is over here. And it has a physical button as well, which is going to help me move to the next aspect that I want to talk about, which is the massage. So I'm going to go right to comfort. We press on this and you have these two kinds of massages in front of you. There is a wave massage and then there is a pulsating massage. And I'm going to go for the wave. Then you can choose which seat you want to get the massage done in. And so it's me alone over here in the car. So I'm going to go for a wave massage for the driver. And we press on play. And you can't feel it, but I can. And it is really soothing. It is the thigh support which got my attention, which is right here. As soon as you do this, there is extended thigh support, which comes right up to your knees. In the long run, for a long drive, it will definitely give added comfort. Now, the look of the car is again up to you. You can change the themes inside. There are a ton of options for that as well. And there are some 360-degree cameras and angles that you get with which you can see the entire car. The car has found a parking spot. Here we go. Let me enjoy something to eat. Nice. Thank you, Mercedes.
How can I help?
Now I want to tell you about the voice recognition as well. As I told you, हम लोग दिल्ली से हैं, so Oi Mercedes, oi Mercedes, oi.
I'm sorry, but I can't help you with it right now.
Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Now just to give you some numbers, the car offers a range of 400 kilometers on a single charge. Now, all these tech features that the car offers, your massages and your mood lighting and all the audio visual elements and the multiple ACs, if you're going to make the most of all those features, all that is also going to derive power from that same battery, which is helping you move the car. So if you have a daily run of 40 kilometers, it doesn't mean that you can just charge your car once in 10 days. If you're using all these features in the car and you're moving about 40 kilometers in a day, I feel will need to charge the car every 3 to 4 days, and a single charge for this car will cost you about 800 rupees.
To remain updated with the latest business news, click on the bell icon.